the way this exercise works, let's say we're on the 5th and 2nd frets. So you want to think about keeping this distance, this 4 fret distance. And if I were to put all 4 fingers down, 1 would be on here, 1 on 2, 2 on 3, 3 on 4, and 4 on 5. So we play the 5th fret on the E string, then we move the index finger over to the B string, and I have my thumb on the back of the fretboard aiming for my middle finger. I don't have it up here, and I don't have it kicked out. Then you're going to move your pinky finger over to the B string, and if you want, you can move the other 2 as well and leave them all on that same string, and then move the first finger over to the G, play the G and B together, and then move the first finger over to the D and play the D and B together, and then move your middle finger over to the A string and play the A, D, and B together. Then relax your hand. And then try to find the full chord. And then just to go over the 2nd chord, or that weird chord, we're playing this one, and we're moving it up to here on 5, 7, and 8. So a good thing to practice is to do the 1 and 2 fingers. So I'm going from 2 and 3 frets to the 5 and 7 frets. And then you can just do the 1 and 4 fingers. And then you can add all of them up.